Hey guys, Run with Craft Scissors here. Now I know I said my next Ipsy bag would be with my face, especially since I got my new lighting, but it's not because I still have a cold and it's Sunday. I don't want to get all glammed up to go nowhere because it's like 4 degrees outside. So that's my list of excuses, is I'm still kind of congested, so I don't necessarily want to show my nose. It's still a little rosy. So I haven't officially opened this. My son did. Oh my gosh, it's like the same pink as the bag. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I love the strap, so you could definitely use this as a little party bag. Like instead of just a makeup bag, is what they did this time. I wonder if, should I turn that on? Yeah. So you guys can see how bright it is. I switched my lighting. Wow. It's pink and like sparkly, and it has like a little Ipsy plaque on it. Okay, so let's look at the card. So it says Carpe PM, and they're like blowing confetti. It feels very New Year's-y. And it says join the party. Usually it says something about the theme, but it doesn't really. December glam bag, Ipsy Carpe PM. Okay, so let's open this. So I did do my research. I have my little folder right here to show you guys. So here's the first glance. Ooh. Okay. So there's this from Tarte. Let me get my handy dandy notebook. Okay, so this is an oil from Tarte Cosmetics. It's Maracuja oil. Precious Harvest, known as Pure Milagro or the Miracle, this rare Amazonian fruit. Okay. In a 6-week consumer study, most people saw visible improvements on the skin. Okay, so it's for my face. Oh, it's supposed to agree fine lines and wrinkles look visibly reduced. Okay. Gotta watch those lines. Not all oil is created equal. So it says, apply at night 2 to 3 drops of Maracuja oil in your hands, rub them together, and then pat on clean, dry skin on face and neck. This powerful multi-masking elixir can also be used to help soften cuticles, tame flyaways, condition split ends, and hydrate dry skin and rough patches. Which is nice, because dry skin, I mean, it's winter, so that's good for most of us. Wow, this bottle is adorable. It's like a fake wood. It's like plastic, I think. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So do you push it? I'm confused. Okay. Anyway, let me give you some info. So it's from Tarte Cosmetics. You can use code Ipsy DEC, so Ipsy, but just the abbreviation of December, for 20% off. But that ends on January 10th, 2017. The full size is 1.7 fluid ounces. Does this one say how much is in here? I think it does. Okay, this sample is 0.23 fluid ounces, but the lowest one that you can buy is 1.7, and it's $48. So, yeah, this is like a fourth of that, so that's still a pretty good deal. Okay, let's open this. I'm going to attempt to smell it, even though my nose is still a little stuffy. Oh, okay, so it's like oh wow, it's a dropper. So you push it to suck some up, and then you push it again to push it out. That's cool. Okay, let's smell this. I don't really smell too much. Okay, that's good. It's probably good that it's unscented since it's going on your face. I love the packaging though. That's really cute. Okay. So oil for my face. Alright. Ooh, my princess. This one is Melting Maple. And I looked this one up. And it says it's a mineral eyeshadow. And you can use code free eyeshadow Ipsy, all one word, free shadow Ipsy. Sorry, not free eyeshadow, free shadow Ipsy. And then you get a free eyeshadow with purchase. And then the full size of this is $15. However, I don't think this is a full size. I'm wondering how messy this is going to be when I open it. Oh, it's not. It's got a seal on it. Okay, but I'm guessing you guys are going to want me to test this out. But I think there's an eye brush in here. So let's dig that out first, because then I could use it. Ooh, pretty, pretty. Okay, this is from MCA Beauty Cosmetics. Let's take it out because we're going to use it. Black, really soft. That's nice. Bristles aren't too tight. It's an angled brush. And this goes for $22.95. So, wow. My bag is $10 a month, you guys. And there's a link below to get yours. You can use code Ipsy50 for 50% off. Yeah, I would need 50% off to spend $22 on a brush. Okay, so we're going to peel this back. If I can get it with my fingernail. Oh, I lost it. Come on now. I've seen other people's, like, theirs was exploded. Or stuff like that. It's rough sometimes, I think, getting eyeshadow in a box. Okay, I don't need that right now. So what I usually like to do is dump it in the lid. Oh, and not drop it to make glitter go literally everywhere. This is very glittery. I saw online they recommend like getting your brush a little bit moist if you don't like want it to go everywhere. This looks really sparkly. Look at that. Can you see that? It's like shedding glitter as I'm tapping some off. This is gonna be so messy, you guys. Oh, but it's so pretty and not at all grainy feeling. And there's like a tiny amount of product, and look how much I'm able to spread it out. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm guessing if you want more of the color to show up than just the sparkle, you're gonna have to put on a lot more. But that's really pretty. Very nice shimmer. Almost like a highlighter, but a little bit too glittery to be a highlighter. Let me turn this off and see. You guys can see it better. Nope. Yeah, a little bit. You can see that shimmer in the light. So, pretty cute, pretty cute. Let me turn this back on. Okay, so then you take the rest and you just kind of carefully tap it back into the container. And then you shut the lid. So that's how I do it. I don't know how other people do it. If you like dump it and shake it and try to get some in the top, I just use, but that's like, wow. It's so pretty. I feel bad that you guys can't see it too well. There you can. It's like all over this side of my hand. Okay, and brush is very nice. Alright, Mad Lash. I was hoping to get this one. There was like a bunch of products where they tell you like everyone's getting one of these 3 products, and so you just kind of like hope you get the one that looks best for you. So this one is from The Balm Cosmetics, and it's called Mad Lash, and use code Ipsy20 for 20% off. The full size is 0.27 fluid ounces. This one is 0.08. And the full size is $18. So let's take a look at this. The top half is so short, like, and this part is long, like usually in sample. Oh, do you just pull? I was twisting. Oh, goodness. Okay, so it's curved kind of like my Marcel one. I don't know if you guys can see. See how it's curved? Yeah. Pretty strong smell. Yep. Definitely smells like mascara. I wish they would give us some waterproof. Okay, so you just push it down. Yep, you just click it back down. So it says, yeah, pull cap. Thanks. I've gotten a lot of stuff from The Balm from them, and I've always liked it. Like, I ended up buying the Meet Matte Hughes Committed, and that was from The Balm. And when you go to review stuff on Ipsy, it also has you review the brand. So, like, if you constantly know that brand, like, you're allergic to something they use, or, like, it's never right for you or something, then you can say, I hate this brand. And then they should stop sending you that brand. They should, but, you know, computers. Okay, last piece. I was like not excited about this because I get the argan oil all the time, but I'm actually excited about this because it's a conditioning treatment, not just like regular argan oil. And this is actually, it's the Mark Anthony Nourishing Argan of Morocco, and it's a deep hydrating conditioning treatment, and it is available at Walgreens. So it's not from online, so you can just go pick this up at your pharmacy. So this one is available at Walgreens, regularly $7.49, and then I saw it was on sale when I went to look this up for $5.99. I'm thinking it was bigger than this one though. This one's 1.69 fluid ounces, but I think I'll get plenty of uses out of this, and I'm excited to do this because definitely in the winter, my hair needs some conditioning. It gets so dry where I live because it's cold. Like today, the high is like 16. Not all the time. This is kind of a weird fluke for us, but it says deeply penetrates to repair, fortify, and nourish your hair with added strength and luster. After shampooing, apply from roots to ends. Leave for 3 to 7 minutes for maximizing benefits. Rinse hair thoroughly. So what I usually do is I wash my hair, rinse the soap out, put this in, and then I go ahead and do the other stuff like, the shaving and the scrubbing the rest of your body. So, and then I rinse this out. So usually that's about 3 to 7 minutes. But I would think if your hair's super damaged, you should go for 7. But if your hair is thin, if you go 7 minutes, it might be dry. So I get that. I don't have thin hair, but I know friends that do. Okay, let's smell it if I can. Oh my gosh. It smells really good. It does smell like the argan oil little droppy thing they gave me that was blue. And that one was also available at Walgreens. And it was like $12 or something. And it's white. If you're wondering if it has a color. It's kind of a milky white. Okay, so that's it for that. That doesn't have a coupon because it's at Walgreens, but everything else had a coupon code. And how you get those coupon codes is when you log into your Ipsy. When you look at the product, it'll have a shop button, and when you click shop, it'll tell you like where to find it or direct you to the website, and the little box will pop up when you click on it with the coupon code. So if you haven't, and you're like, I never get codes when I have Ipsy. Yes, you do. It's just you have to go find it. So here's the bag. I got argan oil, the Mad Lash, the Princess eyeshadow, the Maracuja oil for face, hair, nails apparently, and then I got a makeup brush, which I love when they send me makeup brushes because it's just something that you're not going to use up. Like, it's going to take a while. I don't know how long brushes really last. I mean, if you take care of them, I think you can probably get away with it for years, but man, this glitter is everywhere. Alright, thanks for watching. Give it a like and please subscribe. And I hope you join Ipsy. It's a fun way to start off your collection if you're wanting something new. They kind of stick to things that are in season as well. Like usually I'll get nail polish that's for that season. Or like this one because we're in the dry winter weather. Like that makes sense. So, and I think the maple is a really pretty color, especially since it's so sparkly. It's very like nighttime-y party makeup. I mean, I would probably wear it anyway, but you know what I'm saying. Alright, thanks for watching. Give it a like and please subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Tell me what you got in yours.